Alright, this is how to zoom on a photo. We have our phone in landscape, and we're going to click on the camera app. And to zoom in on this subject, we're just going to pinch on the subject. Go ahead and pinch in, and you'll see that you can't really pan across. You would have to rotate your phone once you zoom. So you just pinch, zoom in, and you see the amount of magnification here. It'll tell you how far you're zoomed in. Touch the object to get it to focus on the object. I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to zoom in. Touch the object. It'll adjust brightness and it'll adjust the focus. Let's go into 10 times. It's pretty amazing. Alright, take your photo, and that's it.
If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.